Just as an intro, I wanted to mention that this is quite a short video and I didn't record much of the build. It might still be useful if you're doing something similar yourself. Hi everyone and welcome to the dining seating part of my videos. So the build for this didn't take too long. There was a little work to do with avoiding the shapes of the van. You can see there's a curve there which avoids a speaker area in the back of the van. All I had to do really was just make sure there was enough support for the sitting at and sleeping on. So there's quite a bit of framework involved, and for the most part I was just doing it as I went along. As you can see, I'm no professional. The whole structure was moving there whilst I was working on it. But once I got it into the van, you can see the first part there, it shapes round it pretty well. I used some insulation to stop it rubbing against the plastic. I also fixed it onto the kitchen side of the build just so that it didn't move. There's also some wooden rails in where the original rails for the seats were, which allowed me to screw that on so that it didn't move about either. And you can see the frame was quite a bulky frame for such a small seat, but I did want it to be strong.